This one is the building for HDB, Toa Payoh Hub, where you can find investors, developers who are developing for houses for sale. Can be viewed here at the park, Toa Payoh Town Park. It is also included in Toa Payoh Town Park. Where you can see the Toa Payoh Hub, the center for business for housing. They are developing residential houses. So if you are planning to have this residential houses, if you are living here in Singapore, you can come at this side, beside Toa Payoh bus terminal. If you find interesting, so subscribe, hit the notification bell, so that you will be notified once another video is uploaded. Beautiful view of HDB developers at Toa Payoh.